Welcome to Crewe Seat. Today we have a Seat Alhambra FR line finished in pure white. It's a diesel model, 150 PS DSG. Features on the FR line are the sports front grille and front fog lights. This model also has front parking sensors. 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. Also the grey mirror caps with integrated indicators on. This model benefits from privacy glass and roof rails. To the rear there's parking sensors and reversing camera with electric tailgate, giving access to load area. Third row of seats folds completely flat to offer a flat loading space. There's extra storage in the rear and a 12-volt power source. Both rear side doors are electric and can be operated from the key. This model also benefits from the integrated child seats, which is a factory option. Access to the rear is easy with one handle operation. Inside there's 4 electric windows with electric heated folding mirrors. Electric seats at the front with the memory function. Part leather interior with the red stitching. Leather multifunction steering wheel with automatic lights. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth streaming, hands-free calls, and the option for a full link for Apple and Android devices. Heated front seats with dual climate control. There's also storage in the centre with another 12-volt power source, and a third in the centre armrest with the USB port also. If you'd like any further details on this particular car, please contact Crewe Seat on 01270 50 70 40. Thanks for watching.